Hi, good afternoon! Welcome to Pandoplano Channel! The Arroceros Forest Park is a riverside park in Manila, Philippines, located on Antonio Villegas Street, former Calle Arroceros, in the Central District of Ermita, Manila. Developed in 1993, the urban forest on the south bank of the Pasig River at the foot of Quezon Bridge consists of secondary growth forests with 61 different tree varieties and 8,000 ornamental plants, providing a habitat for 10 different bird species. Despite its small size, it is considered an important feature of the city in providing fresh air to the Lawton area. The park is administered by the City Government of Manila in partnership with private environmental group Wiener Foundation. History of Arroceros Forest Park. The area occupied by the Arroceros Forest Park used to be part of Parian, the Chinese trading settlement during the early Spanish colonial period. In the 19th century, it was the site of the Fábrica de Arroceros, a tobacco factory owned and operated by the Compañía General de Tabacos de Filipinas. During the American period, it was used as a military garrison which housed the Signal Corps at the Cuartel de Infanteria and the Sergeant General's office at the Estado Mayor. When the Philippines gained independence after World War II, the barracks were converted into the headquarters of the Department of Education. The park was established in 1993 after the government's education department offices were transferred to its present location in Pasig City. Arroceros Forest Park, designed by landscape architect Wilfredo Dizon and the Bulacan Garden Corporation. The forest park as the highlight of a future green city in the Lawton area. The Arroceros Forest Park is Manila's last lang, being the city's only nature park. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.